Hi everyone, my name is Zeest, and today I'll be showing you a really fun science experiment called Sizzling Snowballs. So for this experiment, all you really need is just a bowl, some baking soda, some vinegar, and water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some of my baking soda into the bowl. Okay, I think that should be about it. And then if you have something like a medicine dropper or like one of those dropper syringe things, that would be ideal for this experiment. But since I don't, I'm just going to be using my fingers. So I'm going to dip my finger in water, and then I'm just going to slowly mix the water with baking soda. And then every few moments, I'm gonna mix it with my spoon right here. And until it's a little different in texture, so right now it's very, very powdery. You have to keep doing this, keep adding water until it's not powdery anymore. Okay, so as you can see here, it's a little bit, if I kind of press the spoon down on it, it's a little bit harder. And then of course it's still a little bit in powder form, so you just keep adding more and more water to it. But the texture that we want it to be is actually kind of like a snowball, which it kind of is. It looks kind of like snow. So as you can see, it has reached the consistency after a lot of kind of water pouring and just like very slowly pouring the water into the baking soda. It's reached a consistency where now I can kind of move it and turn it into a shape that I want, like you can do with a snowball. So I'm just gonna do that, and don't be afraid to get your hands a little messy. And see, I'm doing it with one hand, so it's kind of hard, but it's kind of like a snowball. And here you see that out of the balls that I formed here, I've created kind of a little snowman right here, and we still have a little bit of baking soda left in there mixed with water. So that's how you make 3 snowballs. And so now what I'm going to do is make them sizzle. And I will do that by using my vinegar. So you can either slowly pour it or pour it all the way to see the reaction. I'm just gonna pour it however it comes out. Oh, come on. Look at that. And there you have some sizzling snowballs. Okay, I'm gonna stop adding. Maybe a little more. This is kind of fun. Oops. Alright, I'm done. So there we have it, our sizzling snowballs. Sizzling snowballs. Okay, so what you just saw here is a reaction between vinegar and baking soda. So vinegar is an acetic acid and baking soda is a base called sodium bicarbonate. And when these two react, they release a carbonic acid, which is unstable. And then the acid turns into carbon dioxide and water. And then after that, the water kind of stays and the gas
just goes away, just disappears. The carbon dioxide just disappears, and the water is what stays. So that whole process that you saw, the foaming and the bubbling, is what was happening when these two mixtures reacted. Okay guys, I hope you really enjoyed, and I hope you try this at home. Bye.